I didn't hear you.
Which country would you like to play for, Aisha Kazi?
I would like to play for England.
Sorry?
England.
Okay. And why?
Because it is a very good country, and
Mm-hmm.
it has very good places,
Okay.
and
Good. Okay, no worries. All right. What about you, Hamdan Fazlani?
Canada.
Oh, and why Hamdan?
Ma'am, because it is a very nice country and it has many teams also, and it is good in football.
Oh, okay. And of course, the Prime Minister is Justin Trudeau, that's why, right? Okay.
And
Aisha, go up. Yes, go on, Hamdan.
I want to, if I can, I want to shift to Canada. It's really good country.
Oh, yeah, it is. It is. I've got my cousins out there. Don't worry. If ever you want to go over there, my cousins will help you and guide you. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Aisha, what about you? If you were to play football.
I'd like to go to New Zealand
Okay. And why?
because New Zealand has a very best team. It is always it is very pretty, and it is very nice also.
Oh, that's nice. Okay,
The
that's good. I
players
like
over
New
there
Zealand as
is
well.
very nice.
Okay. I like New Zealand as well, Aisha. Aisha, today's Amina's birthday.
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's good. All right.
Ma'am,
Oh, yes,
ma'am,
yes, Hamza.
on Monday it was even my sister's birthday.
Oh, sister's birthday. When was it, Hamza?
On Monday.
Oh, Monday. All right. So we wish her the best in life, in this world and the next world, and lots of hugs and kisses to her. Will you do that, Hamza, for us? Okay, how sweet. All right. Okay, so guys, back to our session. And remember, we were building up the story. Okay. And you did your characters, and you today Umar hasn't come, right? Umar and even Humaira Qasim. Okay. So sorry, coming back to that, we did our characters, we did our settings, we did our even opening. Okay. Last time y'all gave me interesting, fantastic openings. I loved it. So today we go for dilemma or a plot. Okay. So maybe you could have a problem, or maybe you could just have a plot, whatever is suits you in your story, we can go with that. So think about some plots that you have that can come to your mind and you want to put it in your story. Think. It could be a dilemma, it could be a problem, it could be a plot, anything like, like a little red riding hood. In that, the wolf is the dilemma, is the problem. Okay. If you see your Harry Potter, there are plots in there, right? The stones and all. Avengers, when you watch. So, that stones are being taken. So these are the different plots. So you could have any kind of a plot, you can have any kind of a problem, and you could share with us. Think, think, think. How would you like to build your story?
Ma'am, we have to tell only about our character, what
No,
will
no, no, it's
happen to
okay.
them,
It's okay. You can tell me about
about
others
the full
also.
scene.
You can tell me about the other also. It's perfectly okay. Okay, one more thing before y'all start. How many of y'all have done your assignment? Oh, Aisha Aga has done. Juvi's done. Oh, that's nice.
Ma'am,
All
I'll
my
send it to you.
How sweet, Juvi. Okay, you girls are brilliant. Okay, the boys, why didn't you do the assignment?
Oh, ma'am, my sister was crying. I want many gifts, and it's haram to celebrate the birthday. So we thought we could take her somewhere outside. So from Friday we are gone, and just now we came. Last night only we came. 12 o'clock.
Oh, wow, Hamza, that is good. Now, this is called a plot, wherein, there was a dilemma. The sister was crying that I want lots and lots of gifts, and then this is the way they had a resolution. This is a very nice way, a very creative story. Hamza, however, I gave the assignment last Wednesday. Yeah, it's okay, no
So what
problem.
assignment?
You check your Google Classroom, okay? You will have to do it. Remember the qualities and your favorite character. You had to write sentences on your favorite character using the qualities that I mentioned. So no problem. You can do it today and then give it to me. All right. So now when I talk about coming to the plot or the dilemma, okay? So what kind of plot would you like to go in for your creative writing? Tell me.
Ma'am, I completely forgot about the assignment.
It's okay, Hamdan. No worries. You could do it
Now
and
also
send
I
it across to
didn't
me.
remember that it was an assignment. I went on Google Classroom and checked.
Hamdan, see, your mom gives you badam every day to eat, okay? So I will not accept that you forgot. It's just that you didn't want to do it, right?
No, ma'am, I forgot. Even my mom
Okay.
forgot.
No, oh, your mom also forgot. Okay, tell Aisha I'm going to send some almonds for her also, yeah? Okay. So don't worry, you can do it in 2 days and send it on Google Classroom. You can post it, no worries about it. Okay, now I
Thank you.
want some nice, interesting, intriguing, juicy plots, guys. I'm not going to accept anything less than that. You have given me fantastic setting, fantastic character description, brilliant opening. So go on with your plot. It could be anything. Let just your imagination go wild and crazy.
It could be like the Crackle Witch wants to destroy the. She wants to finish the half world, so she goes to meet Thanos, and then Thanos and they both come together to destroy the world, and then it becomes a very big team. But then all the Avengers are not there to help; they have gone on vacation. So, so
Avengers on
all
vacation. Fantastic, Juvie. Okay, go
and
on.
then all the ghost horse, and then the squirrel and Destiny, that girl, and they all plan to do a little plan to destroy they all to destroy them both, the Cackle and Thanos.
Lovely. Joveria, I really like that the superheroes have gone on a vacation and it's the normal people, like, an average people
Ma'am,
who are fighting the villains. Fantastic. Lovely. Yes.
And then a cackle which just come from another planet, and she lands in a very dark forest. And when this ghost horse and the squirrel and everybody go searching like on a trip, so they see the cackle witch and Thanos, so they fight.
Okay. That's good. I like the dark forest part.
Man,
Yes.
it can be Captain America was camping, and he was shining, like he was polishing his shield,
She.
and then behind, and then in the shield, he be in the camping site on another planet, and then he leaves Earth and goes on another planet, and then when he's shining his shield, then he can see what is going on in Earth, and then he saw that he saw that his friends are being taken by the Crackle Witch, and they're screaming, "Ah!"
Okay,
And
I
then
like
Captain
this plot.
America Captain America says, "It's okay, I'll just go to sleep and ignore it."
Okay. I really like that. Oh, hello, Bar. How are you?
ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Hamza, go on. Go on. You
nice.
tell me, Hamza.
But if Avengers are going to vacation, where will they go to vacation after Earth? There is no life after Earth, and there is no beach in
It is our imagination.
We create
Their
another planet for them,
imagination.
Hamza. We create
They'll
another
go to
planet for them for
Jupiter
vacation.
for a ride.
The Saturn, on the
Mars.
Saturn ring, probably, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And ma'am, in Jupiter, they'll go for a ride. That
Yeah.
He'll do a
storms.
spinny boy. He'll
Ma'am, the
Okay.
tornado in
Oh yes, the tornado. Why not? Okay. All
They'll
right.
go to
So
Neptune
Umar,
to experience some cold weather.
yeah, they could do that, right? They could do that, right? And they'll wear all those.
While
Okay,
they
come on.
are going to Neptune, something hit them. And they
The
fall
meteorite.
down. Yes, yes.
Go on. Others also join into that. Go on. I don't give
And they
given
fall
your.
down and then they get stuck. And then what they realize that what they're sitting on is a space no, what is it called? A space shark.
Okay.
Avengers just go to a vacation. They don't come to help.
Yeah.
And nothing happens. Only the people that
Mom, and
destiny,
then they fall
everybody
on
helps.
and they fall on a space shark and
after
the
that, they
space shark comes up to eat them, but then they were near. When they go up, they jumped on the planet Mars and they fell down.
Oh, I like that. Girls, you all are joining in. Joint efforts are brilliant. Yes, Hamza, go on. Add on to them. Go on, Hamza. Hamza and Omar.
Ma'am, and then Iron Man says that we forgot to bring our food. Then they go back on Earth, and when they see everybody is dead, Thanos and destroying everything, and so they went to stop him. And
Wow.
when they're stopping him, Thor goes and brings a happy meal, and then he says, "Let's go now." The job is done here, and
Hamza, happy meal for Iron Man. Okay. Right. And what about the toys that he gets? He takes it for his daughter?
and then they get Thanos.
No,
glove
he
with the
takes
toy.
that toy and put it in. He put it in the.
What if Iron Man gets his own action figure
Oh,
in
okay.
that Happy
No,
Meal?
maybe he could make a toy robot out of it. He's Iron Man. Remember, he can do any kind of brilliant stuff with metals and
Or
toys. Yeah.
maybe at Netherlands.
Ma'am, he finds all the jewels that are in Thanos' glove. In the Happy Meal, there are all the jewels that are in Thanos' glove. Then he makes the glove, and then he puts all the stones in there, and then he says, "I am inevitable," and the whole earth blasts.
No, the whole earth will become then McDonald Happy Meal burgers, right?
Yes.
We can do that. Right? Yeah, Umar, go on.
First, from Thanos will eat all the burgers, and then by using his garnet, he will again make it and eat it, then again make it and eat it.
So it's like he's in that, repetitive, recurring mode. Okay.
Now the toy that Thanos gets, he sees it and he wonders what it is, and then he says this is a very interesting thing. What is it? And then he asks one of his friends what this is. Then he says that it's a chef, and then he tries to become a chef and he opens his own restaurant. But when he
Thanos
opens,
opening it.
yes, and then when he opens it, then he makes very bad food.
Oh my
And then the customer says, "Wow, this is so good for acting."
Okay.
And then, ma'am,
Okay,
he
guys.
clicks and
No, but
ma'am,
just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. I thought Iron Man ordered Happy Meal from McDonald's. Then how come Thanos is
No,
getting all
Iron
the
Man
burgers and
ordered
opening
for-
a restaurant
for
of his
Thanos.
own? Sorry?
No, Iron Man ordered for Thanos.
why will
Iron
I
Man ordered-
order?
Iron Man
will
ordered
I-
for Thanos. Okay. All right.
Ma'am, I was saying that then Thanos opens the restaurant, then he clicks his fingers and his restaurant is gone.
No. We come to that part a bit later. Before the restaurant.
He tells
Elimination.
his customer that you will get your food just in a snap.
Oh, I like that. Was smart.
Yes, he tells that, and then he tells that to his first customer, And then there's a big line to his restaurant because everybody heard that.
Who
And when
would
he
want to eat from Thanos? Tell me, Aisha.
Ma'am,
Huh?
then the Avengers just the spaceship comes and says the Avenger that Thanos has opened a very good restaurant. Go and see that. So they go and see that restaurant and then they eat all the food in there. And then they said Thanos doesn't have a restaurant. Only we have all the restaurant in our tummy.
Okay. So who gives that kind of feedback and who does the marketing and publicity for Thanos, guys?
Ma'am, it can also be like he opens the restaurant and he tells everyone that if you come to my restaurant, then I will give you food in a snap. And then when the first customer orders a burger, then he snaps and the entire restaurant is gone. And then everybody like,
Oh, so we come to the first customer and then what Hamdan says. Okay. All right. So, and what about the superheroes? What are they doing at that time? Are they ordering it on Zomato?
Ma'am, they're on vacation. They don't do anything. They just
So
chill out.
they're ordering from Thanos restaurant using Swiggy and Zomato, or what is it?
no, his restaurant is disappeared because he snapped.
Okay. Right. So I really like the whole concept of, it's starting from superhero going for a vacation. The plot is very interesting. Yes, the superhero is going on a vacation, and then the average and the normal people are helping out, saving, and then it starts with a burger. Iron Man ordering a Happy Meal, and it gets an idea. Thanos gets an idea to start a restaurant. Lovely. Okay. So this was.
And Captain America is polishing his shield.
Oh yes, I forgot that. I'm so sorry. He was polishing his shield. Yeah. Captain
He sees
America.
what is
Okay.
there on Earth, and he sees Thanos is ruining everything. And then he orders a Happy Meal to him down.
Okay. Hamza, you're scaring me. Why are you showing me those eyes now? Are you trying to act out Thanos' character? No, don't do that. Chill. Okay, relax. Right. Okay. So now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it okay that is my story is a monster story? Is it okay if that?
Perfect. I just want the plot right now, Hamza. Okay. So do not give me the entire thing, just the plot. Okay. And you will have inputs from your team members as well. Go on, Hamza. Start. You're muted, Hamza. I
I
can't
got
hear
an
you.
idea.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
go
I
on.
got an idea. Ma'am, the plot will be a person, a crazy person took a gun and shoot at a scientist and said the other scientist to follow him and get a big and dragon that will be his pet. And so they did create a big dragon that has two spiky tails and three heads, and it can shoot fire from all three. One head might shoot fire, the second head might shoot lava, and the third head might shoot lasers.
Wow, I love your dragon. Can I have him, please?
No, ma'am.
Especially for the laser head. No, you can't say no to me, Hamza. I'm your teacher. You have to gift me that dragon.
Ma'am, how can I give you that dragon? I don't even know how to make a real type animal.
Okay, so after the three heads shooting different things, okay, what's the other thing? Go on, tell me.
After the dragon is made, people make a big robot to fight the dragon, and the robot got defeated. And then again, they make a robot to defeat them. And after a long time, I become a very big character who's describing this, becomes a very big person. And he again sees the river glowing. So he goes to the river and decides to see what is inside the river. When he is about to dive in, a big head comes out like the
and that's Aquaman.
No.
Oh, okay, go on.
It's a monster story, not a DC story.
Okay. Go on, Hamza.
So a lizard-like face comes out and opens his eyes. When he comes out, he has a big tail with a long, very fat legs, 4 toes in his legs, and he has spikes all over his back. And then
Okay.
his spike glows, and then he remove fire out of his mouth. And the dragons both start fighting. That's the problem.
Is
with that story.
Godzilla.
Yes.
Okay. Now, come on. Others add on to
It
his story.
can be
Come on.
Godzilla.
Hamdan, Julie, Aisha. Omar. Omar, okay, I got the idea. It's
And they name
Godzilla
it
and
as
Dragon.
And all the friends
No, no, I
going to
didn't
fight.
know what the title yet. Add on more to his story.
That monster, but when he goes home,
Okay,
he
Julie.
has a secret. The secret will be that he's actually dressed like a very but when he comes home and nobody's watching him, then he changes his clothes to a ballet costume and he starts doing ballet.
And the best part is everybody's watching him doing ballet, right, Aisha?
Yes,
Oh, that's a
and then
secret
one
that
person,
that we write in the next
he left
chapter.
his
Yeah.
door open by accident. He was doing a ballet move and he accidentally pushed his house door open and then somebody was outside his door and then everybody called and then that person called everybody and then they started taking pictures and photos of him and posted on Instagram.
Oh, there's my Insta girl. Okay, so you take the pictures of him doing ballet and post it on Insta. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Julie, you were saying something. Go on, please.
all the friends can go to fight Thanos and Cackle, and at the end, when they're fighting, they all lose. Like they are giving up, and then they find something very special in them. That they find that they all have some kind of powers, and one of them tells that we can't give up yet. Then they all use their powers to defeat Thanos and Cackle.
Lovely. Excellent. 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 And very well said. The
And
vocabulary that you used was really well. Brilliant, Julie. Yes. Go on.
ma'am, should I say a joke about this? Ma'am, your hand.
Yes, Hamdan. I want some input from you as well. You with your horses, Hamdan. Don't you have something interesting to say about the horses? You don't want them in your plot?
Ma'am, I am talking and then I create like that only. I'll continue creating.
Okay, go on.
Ma'am, yeah, there a cackle witch. Cackle witch landed. The cackle witch lived in another planet. It landed on the Earth to ghost horse. The ghost horse had already forgotten the cackle witch. The ghost horse was already forgotten the cackle witch and made a new friend, the wild squirrel, and lived in a big castle near the lived in an abandoned barn near a castle with the wild squirrel. Then
Okay.
cackle witch came down to the earth and then and then the wild horse didn't recognize her and then started shouting. So the people of the village, they came to see that there was a witch standing over there, and somebody was shouting. So they thought that the cackle witch did something to somebody. So they actually took the cackle witch and throwed her in prison.
Okay.
I just
I
created
like
it.
what. Yeah, I loved it. No, I'm telling you, and the fluency was excellent. Just on the spot you created. Very well done, Hamdan. And I liked the friendship between your witch and the ghost horse. That was really that was the best part. Okay. So yes, Umar, I'm waiting for all your brilliant juices to come out. And Umar, I know you've got lovely hair. Okay,
Yeah,
I
ma'am,
love your hair.
because
Which,
our the
but
friend.
I want to see your handsome face as well. So can you just adjust your camera, please, Umar, where I can see you smiling? Yeah, that's good, Umar.
Ma'am,
Ah, you look
ma'am,
cool. Okay. Yeah, go
I
on,
just
Hamdan.
I just made something. You know how those ghost horse and the cackle witch were friends, because
Mm-hmm.
the cackle witch was once a princess,
Okay.
and she had a horse, this ghost horse. Before the ghost horse that it was real, and then it was the cackle witch's horse. So the cackle she lived in the castle with her mother and her brother. So
Okay.
her castle came on fire. Her castle came on fire. Her mother and her brother died, and she survived, and she got kidnapped by another witch. So
Oh,
another witch made her a witch, and then the ghost horse also died, so it became a ghost, and the other witch
okay.
made this cackle witch a witch, and then after that, and then
Okay,
took
the
her on
princess
another
became the
planet.
witch.
So
Okay, right.
she
I
came
like this
back
idea.
to meet
Okay,
her
we
ghost
hold on
horse.
to this idea, Hamdan. Okay, okay, good.
Ma'am,
So, we hold on to this idea. Okay, princess becoming a witch. Okay, how give me a plot for that. How did the princess become a witch? I like Hamdan's idea. Come on, everybody, give me your own ideas.
The
Hamdan said
princess
the
was
princess
a
was kidnapped by
very
a witch, and yeah.
the pri-
ma'am,
the
the witch is
princess.
very lonely. That's why she takes the princess and turns her into a witch.
Ma'am,
Hamza, I'll come to you.
ma'am,
Hamza, I'll come to you. Juveria is
ma'am,
talking. Let her complete, then I'll come to Hamza. Yeah, okay.
The
Omar, I'll come
princess
to you
was
next. Yeah,
very
let
good,
Juvi
and
finish talking.
the princess was very good and kind to other people, but other people would not listen to her too much. Um, they would not give her so much of attention. They would just tell, she's a princess, it's okay. But still, she would be very kind. One day, she was helping a small boy, and then the boy was alone, and the father was very worried. So she told, "Where is your father?" And suddenly her father appeared, and he told that, "Why did you kidnap?" To the princess, he told, "Why did you kidnap my child?" So she told, "I was just helping your boy." So he did not listen. So from that day, she became so angry that she started casting spells on everybody by a magical book. And then after some time, because of so much of magic, her nails became very long, and she started turning into a witch, and she wore
Wow. Okay.
clothes.
So y'all better be careful what y'all study and learn, all right? Because I don't want any of y'all to become witches and wizards, right? Okay. Okay. Yes, Omar. Omar, go on. I haven't heard from you the whole day. So the whole session.
ma'am, when there was a fire for emergency, there was a room, there were book, and there was a emergency portion. So if someone is left in the castle, they will drink it,
Mm-hmm.
and then the princess drank and became the witch. And from this book, she studied the spells and all.
God. Aisha Kazi, where are you?
Ma'am,
I think yeah. Go on, Hamza.
My ghost went.
Okay. No worries. I'll come to you then, Aisha Kazi. Okay. So Hamza, are you on with it?
yes, ma'am.
Why did the
Ma'am,
princess become a witch? Yeah.
because the witches, the castle sets on fire, and then
Mm-hmm.
everybody here, the king and the queen run away, and the guards also run away, and the princess is all alone in the firing castle. And the father said, "Bye
Okay.
bye, princess. I'll see you in heaven." And then
Oh, I love it. Hamza, I like the way you tell your story. It's Brilliant. Yeah, go on.
And because the king doesn't like his daughter, so he runs away with his wife, and then a witch smells the fire, and she comes in to help see what is happening, and then she's a princess. She's crying all alone. She comes and takes the princess and takes her to her house, and the princess says, "Why are you taking me? Aren't you supposed to be evil?" The witch says, "No, I'm not evil. I'm a good witch." So she says, "Okay." And then the witch is all alone, so she turns the princess into a witch, and then they live happily ever after.
Princess is turned into a witch and they live happily ever after. All right. No, no, yes, I get it, Hamdan. Uh, but I want everybody else also to let me know how she's become, a different plot and a different twist to the story. Everybody's input on your idea. Yes, Aisha Kazi, go on.
Actually, the Cackle was already a witch, and then there was a queen. Her sister was good, but then she met the Cackle witch, and then she told that her sister, she told that she wants to become a witch because she loves Cackle. Yes. So then Cackle made her a wish and taught her how to make spells and everything. And then she was called Wither. And then she also became evil.
Oh, nice, Aisha Kazi. A different perspective to it. Excellent. Yes, who is there? Aisha Aga, come on. And then we come to the conclusion part. Aisha Aga, give me. How did the princess become a witch?
There could be a princess.
Give me an interesting plot, okay?
She goes to school and uh, a boy likes
Oh, don't
her.
say she goes to the school and she has monster teachers like Alfia ma'am and myself.
No.
And we
A boy
make
likes
you
her,
all
but she does
witches,
not
right?
like him because he has very long nails, very dirty teeth, and he always wears a very crooked, like very broken hat. So she always stays away from him to protect herself, because she thinks that he is dangerous. But he always likes her and goes near her. So one day she asked him, "Why do you always come near me? I hate you." And then he got so angry, and then he ran away from school. He went to his mother at home, and then his mother asked him what happened. What happened? Why are you home from school so early? Then he told that, "I don't want to pretend to be a witch anymore." Because he was actually a witch, he was just covering. His mother told him to don't tell anyone that you are a witch.
In disguise.
Yes. So one day.
So I like this.
So one day after school, when the princess was going back to her castle, before she came out of the school building, she goes with the carriage to the castle, right? So the boy that boy which he told his mother everything that happened. So she made him a potion, a like fainting potion. So she said to give this to the guard of the princess and the princess, and then you can kidnap her and give her another potion, and you can make her fall in love with you. And then he did that. Before the princess came out of the school building, she the boy, he gave the guard the potion, and then when the princess came out, she was shocked because she saw him standing over there and the guards fainting the guards lying down on the road. Then she was running, but then the
because
boy.
You're talking about that era, okay?
Yes. And then the boy caught her and then he gave her the potion. and then she fell down, and then somebody threw a stone at the boy, and then he also fell down, and that was her fairy godmother.
Ooh,
Her mother
okay.
had died, and then her fairy godmother had come to help her. And then she took her
Lovely
home.
twist. Aisha, lovely twist to it.
She took her home and she put her near the fire, and she woke up.
Okay, okay. Now what, you know what, we'll conclude now, okay? Tell me 3 new words you learned today, all of you. 3 new words you learned today. If you want, you can put it in chat, okay? And then I'm going to post something on the Google Classroom,
Lot.
okay? 3 new words. Go on, Julie.
Plot,
Okay,
conclude.
you can
Ma'am,
put
for
it on
what?
chat as well. Okay, thank you, Juveria. Yes, what about others? Any 3 new words you learned today from your friends? And I'm going to put some words on the Google Classroom later, yeah? Come on, your friends were not so bad that you all didn't learn anything from them. Come on, guys. Ah, looks like you haven't been paying attention when your friend was talking. What? Ah, I can see that smile. You all are being evil witches right now. What was the name? Cackle witch, yeah? Okay, good, good, good. Thank you, thank you. Yes, perfect.
I like the word vacation.
Okay, that's nice. Good. Okay. Now what first new words that we've learned, we're going to try and use them, add them to our vocabulary when we're talking, okay, in the week throughout. Okay. And thank you so much. I had a lovely session, all from Happy Meals. Okay. By the way, my friends, they love Happy Meals. My friends from school, I keep on talking to you all about them. Yeah. So they love Happy Meal, and they're really happy Thanos starts McDonald's, and they get free orders for Happy Meals. Yeah. With the toys. Yeah. All right then. Thank you so much for giving me brilliant ideas. I love each one of you, your um, tweets. They were fantastic. They were fascinating. They were very interesting, guys. Keep going on. Always think beyond. It's like it's the sky. There's no sky also for your limits.
Where is map? I think our internet is bad, so she left.
Sorry, I just. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Ma'am, you're stuck.
Aisha, maybe you should end the meeting.
Yeah, the class. Okay.
Yes.
Should we leave?
Yes, I think so.